On Miami Beach now, the annual Floatopia event may have invaded the city for the very last time. The mayor and a city commissioner are now joining the fight to sync the event all together. Local 10 News reporter Terrell Fournet is live now to show us why. Terrell.
And Calvin, this annual event has been underway since 2012 here on South Beach, but this year crowds swelled to 7 times larger than they have been in the past, and that has sparked some emergency meetings here at City Hall because of all of those bad things that happened over the weekend. What looked like a sand-filled wasteland of trashed flotation devices, beer bottles, and cans has since been cleared away for beachgoers to soak up the sun in peace. But the sting from Floatopia 2016 is still being felt.
This type of event just totally ruins an area.
At some point, we may have to consider things like out in California where they've just banned it altogether.
It's now up to Miami Beach City Manager Jimmy Morales to figure out how to put the brakes on the non-city sanctioned event, which drew an overwhelming 100,000 people this past weekend.
It's not like we can stop it. They don't have to get a permit because they're not doing anything like live music or entertainment. It's just people are just showing up at the beach, the public roads, and it's a public beach.
This is an absolute travesty.
One commissioner live streamed the mess to his followers on Facebook, vowing a quick end. And police responded to a shooting and multiple fights near the event that's aimed at protecting the environment. Anonymous organizers used social media to drum up turnout, but in a recent post, they too said the level of disrespect shown on our beach was unimaginable. Tonight, finding a fix to the unruly behavior will be complicated, but not impossible.
The huge floats out there, the tents that they erect, some of that stuff that we can, I think, get a grapple on. Perhaps trying to limit the amount of people that can be on any stretch of beach.
And those are only suggestions at this point from the city manager that will be presented at next week's city commission meeting. That meeting certainly expected to draw a very large crowd on this hot button issue. We are live on Miami Beach. I'm Terrell Fournet, Local 10 News.